So I think advanced technologies that really increase the intensity and relevancy of engagement are really going to be important.
I'm optimistic that we're making improvements to get patients empowered in understanding their technology, specifically around chronic disease.
As we look at data and how we're currently collecting data, I do see a really big shift 5 to 10 years from now in terms of how that spills over into the augmented reality scenarios, as well as more smart devices, including implants and potentially instruments, along with robotics, right? And then taking it just to that next level, if you will.
So what I do see happening is an exponential increase in the telemedicine space, where such kind of technologies can actually make a difference for patients in developing markets, but also in the second tier and the third tier cities, because they don't have an opportunity for medical care like how we do at this point.
I see the video game technology be a new threshold from which we drive compliance with our patients long term.
I think the future really is all about mobile. Allowing reps to be able to bring in content at a fingertip, whether it's on an iPad or even on their phone.
Technology is really going to help put the right information at the fingertips of the reps so they can be much more productive on their sales calls.
More and more I see new digital technology being the way of the future and how we're communicating with our physician customers and our patient customers.
I think machine learning is exciting for us because it will help us make communications more relevant, more targeted, and ultimately help us convert more developers.
As with just about anything else, I think KOLs are only going to become more and more important. So the impact of a tool like that is pretty self-evident over the next 5 years or so, because people want to be influenced by people they know and people they trust and people that they know are in the same space they are.
I imagine an exciting future where the first time a doctor tries out a device, it's not on a live patient, but rather on a virtual one, on the physician's own phone or tablet, conveniently at their own time.
So where I see all this moving towards is the collection of data to start developing artificial intelligence platforms and using deep learning to build on top of them. So instead of having what we're used to, which is a reactive-based approach to medical care, it's going to get closer and closer to precision health and predictive health. And that's where I see the next 5 to 10 years.